Good morning. Happy Saturday. Look at this. Look how beautiful. There we go. That way you're not squished against the thing. Hey, you shush. You shush. Just because there's a guy going to his car, which he's already in, but look it. It's raining again. Not complaining. As long as it kills the fires. I have no idea what's going on with the fires in Canada, but it's gorgeous. And I had an amazing sleep. Oh, sorry, Ash. So good. And probably subconsciously tricked her to come out here because this is our favorite snack to share. Yeah. So it's nice because she doesn't come out here often. And I like to spend time with my little girl. But I had an amazing night. So amazing. So if you watched yesterday's live, vlog, you remember me talking about watching this guy named Ruben who talks to channelers, and I was listening to the 9th dimension of Pleiadians. So good. It was so good. And I went to sleep like and what helped is my mom sent me a TikTok of this woman saying why Jews are successful, because they wake up and they automatically thank God for abundance and everything they need for the day, right? Which is practically what we've been, and being grateful, right? So what I've been being taught through Abraham and stuff. So, but she was talking about how, this is a game, Earth is a school, and you could choose, we're here to only have one timeline. That's one of the rules here. But you could choose what is going, so I was saying, this is the timeline I choose and stuff like that. And I woke up a few times. So in that state where you can manipulate your subconscious, I was like, I'm so abundant. I'm so grateful for this. I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so healthy and all this stuff. So I had an amazing sleep. And, oh, it's in my pocket. And for extra healing, because they talked about crystals, I slept with this. Yeah. My nice selenite wand. Do you like crystals? If you do, which is your favorite crystal? I plan to buy a lot, but I just keep not buying them because I plan to move soon, so. And I was hoping to charge this in the sun, but as we saw, it is raining still. So until I learn which ones properly, like a lot of them could be charged in the moonlight, which usually you do during full moon. I definitely have not been doing that. Flaked on that. But you can obviously charge selenite and in the sun and moon, and it will charge your other crystals, right? So love selenite. Another thing I wanted to share is I notice a huge difference in what I watch and how I feel the next day. So I like to watch fiction, to help with manifesting and daydreaming and stuff like that. But so like I watched Stranger Things, but I watched it because I wanted to learn about 11 and the different powers and stuff we can have. But it's all the junk in between, like the drama and the fighting and the arguing and all that stuff that causes a lower vibration. Because I love to learn like that kind of stuff. I just like to learn. So when I was watching and learning from the channeler yesterday, and I finished the series on decoding Shakespeare, she might get ready to bark. There's a guy walking around out there. But yeah, it like really gets me fired up and excited, and yeah, and then I just go to bed like all pumped up because I'm like, I learned some really cool things that I can't wait to, put into practice and stuff like that. So I'm noticing the big difference. Like, I'm not saying don't watch Stranger Things, just like, maybe watch an episode or 2 a day, if that. You know what I mean? And then watch something better after. It's been encouraged anyways not to watch TV before bed, so yeah, it's been encouraged not to watch TV before bed because of that, right? What you watched at the end will influence your subconscious. And, if you're watching murder and low vibrational things, stuff like that, because how you go to sleep is how you wake up the next day. So if you go to sleep angry, depressed, sad, anything, if you don't combat that with saying gratefuls and stuff like that, you'll wake up in the same vibration, same mood, unless when you wake up you start saying what you're grateful for, but you're already in that vibration, so it's hard to lift it up. Because sleeping is a reset of the vibrations that you're in if you're in resistance, so use it wisely. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. That's still from our first batch, eh, Mom?
Yeah, but there was lots in the middle that were going bad, so
That's good.
There's still showed it to me, so I just took them apart. Now I'm dividing them like with the dark ones and the ones that are a little bit more pink.
But there's still lots. They're yum, yum, yum. Look at how cool that curled up. They're pretty. Hello, newbie. That one's already got a bunch that fell off. Nice orange colors. Sunday. Hi, my love.